What to do if your divorce papers are rejected in Long Beach. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you filed for divorce in Long Beach and your paperwork was rejected by the court, don't panic. You're not alone. This happens more often than you'd think, especially when trying to handle the divorce process without help. Let's talk about why it happens and what you can do next. Long Beach divorces are processed through Los Angeles County Superior Court, which uses a strict electronic filing, e-filing system. That means your forms must be filled out correctly, formatted properly, and submitted in the right order. Even small mistakes, like missing checkboxes, incorrect attachments, or unsigned disclosures, can lead to a rejection. If your judgment or other paperwork gets rejected, the court will typically send a notice explaining what needs to be fixed. But these notices are often vague and full of legal jargon, making it hard to understand exactly what went wrong. We recently worked with a Long Beach couple who tried to file on their own. Their judgment was rejected twice due to a missing income declaration and an incorrectly formatted agreement. They came to us frustrated and ready to give up. We reviewed everything, corrected the errors, and had their judgment approved in just a few days. At Divorce 661, we specialize in fixing rejected divorce cases. Whether you need us to clean up your paperwork or take over your case completely, we know what the court is looking for and how to get your judgment approved without further delays. If your divorce papers were rejected in Long Beach and you're not sure what to do next, visit divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation. We'll get your case back on track and help you finalize your divorce the right way.